Display size. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 6.9 inches. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 1080 into 2640 pixels, with 413 ppi density. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 1260 into 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is foldable LTPO AMOLED. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kunlun Glass 2. Operating system. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is EMUI 14.2, international. Chipset. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Processor. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is octa-core processor. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is octa-core processor. GPU. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is Adreno 730. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Maloon 910. RAM. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 8GB and 12GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 12GB. ROM. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 256GB and 512GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Front camera. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 13MP wide-angle camera with HDR video recordings. Back camera. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 12MP wide and 13MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 12.5MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is 3800 mAh battery with 30W fast charging. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 5050 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. Spec winner.